Born today, 1942 in Hugo, Oklahoma. We got singer-songwriter, musician Billy Joe B.J. Thomas. His heyday was like 66 to 77, started out in the church choir, had a band as a teen, and then by 66, he had joined Battle of the Bands with his pals. 66, he did a Hank Williams cover, hit the charts, but it was really 1968, all over the Billboard radio, Hooked on a Feeling.
I'm hooked on a feeling.
Different feel to the songs back then. The following year, this particular song, I'm sure you know it, was featured on a movie called Butch Cassidy and the Sundance Kid. Paul Newman, Robert Redford, great movie, Raindrops.
Raindrops are falling on my head, they keep falling, but there's one thing.
Such a great song. Also had another hit in 71, Don't Worry, Baby.
Don't worry, baby, everything.
He's got 8 Grammys and passed away 2021. A lot of the artists we grew up with are starting to make their way. Like Sub and Sing.